It is very important to watch out for what are called circular references when you're using blocks in the gCADPlus environment. If I use the blocks option and say I'm going to add from another file, and I'll pick a drawing called Astilbe Arenzi Pink and select it. This is a block file. Unfortunately, inside this block file is a block of the same name as the file that I'm trying to insert. In other words, this is what's referred to in both AutoCAD and gCADPlus as a circular reference. So if we say we're going to open, you can see inside this Astilbe Pink LCD file is another block of exactly the same name. If I select it, I may well be able to insert it into this environment, but if I picked model space, gCADPlus would crash. So it's a little warning to you that it's terribly important to watch for these circular references. We would hope in future to modify gCADPlus so that if you try and do what I'm about to do, and gCADPlus will crash, that it will catch you at that point and warn you. What I'm going to try and do now is deliberately crash gCADPlus. So I'm going to tick model space and say OK. It tells me that there's a block inside there already there. Do I want to redefine it? Well, I'll say yes, I do, and then insert that into the drawing. And you can see gCADPlus is spinning, 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 and if I leave it long enough, it will crash. So it's not a problem at the moment. We can't program our way around it. We can just alert you to the fact that if you use blocks with blocks inside the same name as the block, that circular reference can cause you grief. It will do the same if you happen to be using AutoCAD as well, but AutoCAD is likely to catch that and say you've got circular references. So we ask you to be a little bit alert to when you are creating blocks. Don't make a block of the same name inside your block.